Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term oral formulaic poetry. Introduction. Oral formulaic poetry is a unique form of poetry that has its origins in prehistoric times and continues to thrive among communities that predominantly rely on oral transmission due to illiteracy. This form of poetry encompasses both narrative and lyric expressions, with singers and reciters being the primary conveyors of these verses. Unlike written poetry, oral poetry lacks a fixed version, as each performer introduces their own improvisations and variations, making each rendition a distinct and dynamic experience. Key characteristics. One of the key characteristics of oral formulaic poetry is the incorporation of verbal formulas. These verbal formulas consist of set words, word patterns, and refrains that facilitate the performer in creating a narrative or song based on a particular theme. Additionally, these formulas aid in the retention and repetition of poems learned from other performers, contributing to the continuity of this oral tradition. Milman Parry's in Yugoslavia. Scholar Milman Parry significantly advanced the understanding of oral formulaic poetry. In the 1930s, Parry conducted field trips to Yugoslavia, a region where the custom of composing and transmitting oral poetry, particularly heroic narratives of warfare, was still vibrant. His work laid the foundation for the systematic analysis of this unique literary practice. Albert B. Lord, a successor to Parry, continued and expanded upon this research, applying the principles of contemporary oral poetry to analyze classic works such as Homeric epics, Beowulf, and the Chanson de Roland. Parry and Lord's research. As a result of the dedicated efforts of scholars like Parry and Lord, we have gained valuable insights into the composition and evolution of ancient epic poems that initially existed in an oral form. This approach has also been extended to research on oral literary performances in diverse regions worldwide, such as Africa and Asia, where oral traditions continue to thrive. Walter J. Ong's exploration. The shift from an oral to a print culture has inevitably influenced the way literary compositions are created and consumed. Scholars like Walter J. Ong have explored the consequences of this transition in his work Orality and Literacy, the Technologizing of the Word. The advent of writing and printing has undoubtedly transformed the landscape of literature and communication, impacting the structure and dissemination of poetry. Conclusion. In conclusion, oral formulaic poetry stands as a testament to the enduring power of storytelling in human culture. The fluidity of its expression and the integration of verbal formulas provide a rich and diverse landscape for performers and listeners alike. As scholars continue to delve into this living tradition, we gain a deeper understanding of the complexities and nuances that oral poetry offers. So this was the discussion on the term oral formulaic poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.